Hello kids, let's draw stick figure children. First, subscribe my channel for more videos and press like button. Draw a girl. Draw a boy. Boy is jumping happily. Draw one more cute girl. Children are in happy mood. Wow, looking beautiful. Let's color it. Light brown color. Sky blue color. Red color. Peach color. Parrot color. Sky blue color. Red color. Yellow color. Sea green color. Again peach color. Blue color. Red color in heart. Looking so nice. Wow, it is complete. If you like my video, then must subscribe and share it. Thanks for watching.